on Sunday, October 26, indicates that the system continues as a major hurricane. It's a Category 4 hurricane, Melissa, that is over the waters to the south of the island. It's actually directly south of Kingston at this time, but it continues to move toward the west. As it continues, it is expected to begin, it is continuing to move very slowly, but it is expected to start turning more toward the northwest and then toward the north, which would take it to the southern coastline of Jamaica and then over us. And all of this is expected to happen moving across Jamaica on Tuesday of this week. So the system is still on course, moving westward, still expected to turn toward the north and move over Jamaica on Tuesday. And at the same time, we are expecting that a lot of rainfall will continue to be dousing the island. The rainfall will continue over all sections of the country. Right now, we're only seeing some sections experiencing rainfall, and it's really intermittent, on and off showers, sometimes up to moderate shower activity. And most parishes have been impacted, but mainly eastern, northern parishes as well have been experiencing this rainfall thus far. As we continue, we do expect tropical storm force winds to move across the island starting this afternoon. And then as we continue into tomorrow, hurricane force winds are expected to start being impacting sections of the southern coast of the island as the system is moving closer and closer to the coastline. Of course, all of this is based on the current projections, and anything could change. But for the time being, we are expecting hurricane conditions over the island within 24 hours. And then we expect impact from this hurricane, Melissa, as we go through the day on Tuesday. There's a slight shift in the track, moving it a little west than where it was originally projected. We earlier had said that it would make impact or landfall along the coast of Clarendon, but it seems now to be shifted more to Manchester, and we'll continue to monitor as it progresses.
All right, people, so I hear that. So the main takeaway from that, let's do the three main takeaways from that now, people. So one, the system is shifting in terms of where it is expected to make its landfall or impact, Up to 2 days ago, we were thinking more, based on projections, based on the forecast, we were thinking more St. Catherine and Kingston. And then over the last, 12 hours, we're then hearing it could be more Clarendon and St. Catherine. Now we're hearing it's more Manchester and potentially St. Elizabeth. So, see what go on. Kingston and St. Catherine and Clarendon, Clarendon and Manchester. Now we're at Manchester and St. Elizabeth. So everybody can count, everybody can see, can appreciate direction. That sound like it a drift, don't it? That's what it sound like to me. So it's a minor movement, but it's very good minor movement in any case, because with Jamaica not that big. Jamaica not that big, people. So if the system continue to do a little drifting, maybe, who knows, maybe by tomorrow me depend you start telling us people it drift gone so much now that it gonna take time circle round Hanover and Westmoreland and then make the right angle turn. So guess what? It will not make landfall in Jamaica in terms of its eye. So if I pray or not pray, continue pray. And and if someone don't promise God so not go baptize, make sure so not, you know what, everybody right now I promise God to them are baptized. Send me your name. Cause if you feel like say you make no commitment to God, if you spare with life in this and then you don't baptize after this, you have a sad mistake coming. Everybody will promise God say yo, if him spare with that one year, they might turn Christian and baptize. Send on the name, cause me personally I follow up. I don't want to try bribe God, Nobody try bribe God and nobody deliver people, cause me personally I follow it up. Anybody try bribe God and don't baptize after them promising me a black on for this. So people will look like we are getting